Title: Pedestrian Crossing Light Controlled by Button. Description: This project uses two buttons to control a pedestrian crossing light system. Each button is placed on one side of the road. When a pedestrian presses the button, the traffic light changes from green to yellow, then to red, allowing safe crossing after a set time. The light returns to green for vehicles. The system provides a simple and reliable way to manage pedestrian safety at road crossing. Materials: Arduino Uno board, 2 button, 3 LEDs, red, yellow, green, 3 resistor, small breadboard, and jumper wires. Significance of the project: This project increased pedestrian safety by giving a clear and timed signal for crossing. It reduced accidents caused by sudden road crossing. It also encouraged drivers and pedestrians to follow traffic rules, promoting discipline and order on the road.
Start. The green LED will turn on. Is button 1 or 2 pressed? If yes, the yellow LED will turn on and for 5 seconds, and the red LED will turn on for 40 seconds. The green LED will turn on again. Back to start. Is the button 1 or 2 pressed? If no, the green LED will stay the same and we will back to start.
This is our circuit diagram. As you can see, there are 3 LEDs. The longer arm of the LED are connected on the Arduino pin, and the shorter arm have a resistor. On the other side, there are 2 buttons, and it is also connected on the Arduino pins. And the other side are for the GND. And all the negative wire are connected on the GND. The first part of the code is the input. It is where you choose which pin are you using. Next is void setup. The LED is set as output so the Arduino can turn them on or off, and the button is set as an input pull-up. This means the button reads high when not pressed and low if not. And the last line turn on the green LED by default. Next is void loop. If the button is pressed, the green car low and the yellow car high. This means the green LED will turn off and the yellow LED will turn on for 5 seconds. Next is the yellow car low, the red car high. Delay 40,000. This means the yellow LED will turn off and the red LED will turn on for 40 seconds. Last is red car low, green car high. This means red LED will turn off and the green LED will turn on.